Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going.
What's good, you guys? Good morning. Today is, is that my voice? It's actually very early in the morning. Today is Sunday and I am going to April, my hairstylist. I'm going to go get a wig installed today, and I'm really happy that I'm going to be doing it on a Sunday. I'm currently working on her availability because my girl is booked, she is busy, but I do need my hair done this week for a couple campaign shoots, and also I've got an event on Tuesday. Please do not mind my voice. It's literally just because it's early. Today, I actually am very excited for the wig that I'm putting on because I'm actually going to style up my wig today. I haven't been wearing any specific styles or getting any specific inspo, but today I am very inspired to go feather bangsy. I don't even know what to describe this hairstyle as, but basically I want to go for that retro 70s big hair. I saw this girl, I just don't know how to pronounce her name. Her name is Makai, I believe. I love that girl's hair. Like, every time she switches up her hair, it's fantastic. From ponytails to wigs to straights to, it's always so good. So I saw her do these big bouncy curls and I'm just like, I need that. I need that. Like, I need it. So that's going to be my hair inspo for the week. I'm going retro. I'm actually even gonna go to look for an outfit later on. So when I'm out, I'm going to go and look for those big roller curly things for your hair so that I can keep up with that feather bangs look. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing today, and I'm going to achieve this look with a 22-inch frontal from Wiggins hair. So shout out to them for sponsoring this video. This particular wig, especially when I gave it to my hairstylist, I was like, there is so much hair on this wig. So I really think that because of the volume of hair and the density of this wig, the curls are going to be even fluffier, even fuller, even bigger. I just want big hair. Like, I want a lot of hair right now, and that's what I'm going for. So definitely check out Wiggins. I'll put all the details that you need in the description box. I'll have a link to the Wiggins hair website, and then I'll also have a link to directly the hair that I'm using. It is a 22-inch body wave, so this is a look that you can create with hair that's very easily accessible. I will have their links down there, and I definitely recommend that you go check them out, scope around, see what you like. And if you are in the market for some hair, especially some body wave, I definitely recommend this one because of the fullness. I feel like a lot of companies aren't giving as much hair as they used to, but Wiggins definitely said, listen, I've got you by identity, I've got you. So I'm happy. Let me stop rambling. Let me go to my hair appointment. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and do not forget to check out those links. If I have a discount code, I will put it in the description box. Like I always say, I'm never sure if I'm going to get one or not, so always look in my description box to see if you can save some money. Okay, period. So yeah, let me go, guys. I will see you in a few. Alrighty guys, let's get started. So we're going to start off by prepping my hairline. I'm going glueless, and we're going to be doing the stocking cap method. I just prefer the stocking cap method when I'm putting on a frontal, just because it looks really natural. And then when it comes to the got to be, I just prefer it over real glues. It just, I don't know, I don't panic when I've got to be on. So yeah, we're going to do that, and then she's going to put some makeup on the stocking cap just to make sure that it blends really nicely with my skin. And then we're going to place the wig on my head. It has been customized to perfection. It looks so good, and yeah, I just really love how it turned out. She said that it was really easy to pluck, so the actual knots are not super tight, so even when you customize it yourself, it's going to be really easy. So then we just cut off ear tabs, and then we're cutting the lace so that we can start the installation. And all she really does is raise up the frontal, and then she's going to put some glue, but she was just going to cut off some excess stocking cap just to make sure that it doesn't show through my lace. And then yeah, we put down the got to be, and then we started actually applying the wig to my head. And yeah, that was a really easy process. And then she goes in with some makeup to make sure that if any lace is showing, it's very, very like natural looking. And then we put on the elastic band to lay the edges, and then we start off with the styling. So what she did was put on some heat protectant, and then we started curling up the hair. It curled really well. I even kept this hair in for a week, and I went ahead and curled it myself. It just curls really well. It's a body wave, so if you wanted it curly, you can curl it. If you wanted it straight, you can straighten it. So that's why I really recommend a body wave, because it's more versatile. You literally get 2 types of hair in one. So definitely check them out in my description box, and I will have all the details for you down there. And like I said, you guys, I do really recommend this wig because I'm not gonna lie, hair companies are really stingy when it comes to the amount of hair that is on your wig, but Wiggins did that. It is a full, bouncy, shiny unit, and I definitely recommend that you go into my description box and shop Wiggins hair.